Number 1. Rolled ice cream machine.
This isn't just dessert, it's a live show. With a rolled ice cream machine, you're not simply selling ice cream, you're selling an experience. Imagine pouring liquid mix onto a frozen steel plate, tossing in cookies, fruit, or syrups, and then rolling it into those perfect little spirals. People don't just eat it. They film it, post it, and basically do your marketing for free. Here's the financial sweet spot. Machines run about $350 to $900. Each serving costs roughly 50 cents, but sells for $2.50 to $4. Even if you only move 50 cups a day, that's close to $3,000 a month. Yeah, you heard that right. Plus, it's super versatile. Set up at festivals, malls, or even on a busy corner, and you'll draw a crowd in no time. Bottom line, this is entertainment, customer attraction, and high-margin profits, all rolled into one. Literally.
Number 2. Soft-serve cone machine. Some things never lose their magic, and that classic swirl of soft serve, yeah, that's one of them. Straight out of the nozzle, it's creamy, iconic, and instantly Instagram-worthy. Customers can grab it in cones, cups, or topped with chocolate drizzle and sprinkles, and many machines even let you serve 2 flavors side by side. Double the choice, double the sales. Time for the numbers. A soft-serve machine usually runs $500 to $1,000. Each cone costs about 30 cents to make, but you can sell it for $1 to $150. Do the math. Selling just 50 cones a day could bring in $1,000 to $1,500 a month. Yeah, that's some solid cash flow. And here's a little secret most beginners miss. Soft serve isn't just for summer. With creative twists, think seasonal flavors, dipped cones, or fruit toppings, you can keep business booming year-round. Easy to run, low maintenance, and consistently profitable. This one's basically a no-brainer.
Number 3. Shaved ice machine. Looking for something colorful, refreshing, and just plain fun? Shaved ice is a crowd magnet. The machine shaves down frozen blocks into soft, fluffy strands that soak up bright syrups and toppings, turning each cup into a rainbow you can eat. Trust me, the visuals alone make people stop, stare, and share. And here's the kicker. Machines go for just $300 to $800. Each serving costs about 20 cents, but sells for $1 to $150. That means quick returns, steady profits, and basically zero risk. Plus, the social media factor is huge. Every colorful cup becomes free advertising the moment a customer snaps a pic. Affordable, eye-catching, and profitable. Shaved ice isn't just a treat, it's a business opportunity waiting to be scooped up.
Number 4. Popsicle Machine. Popsicles are timeless, simple, refreshing, and let's be honest, extremely profitable. With quick freezing molds, you can crank out dozens at once, whether they're fruity, creamy, or packed with surprising extras. Machines run anywhere from $400 to $2,500, depending on size and features, so you can pick an option that fits your budget. Now, let's talk profits. Each popsicle costs around 25 cents to make and sells for $1 to $2. Do the math. Just a few hundred sales in a day, and your margins are looking fantastic. Variety is your secret weapon. Stick with classic fruity flavors for quick turnover, or go gourmet with chocolate dips, fresh fruit chunks, or creamy centers to really stand out. Where can you sell them? Fairs, cafes, pop-up stands, local shops, or even supply convenience stores. Plus, popsicles are incredibly photogenic, bright, colorful, and practically self-marketing when your customers share them online. Easy to run, low maintenance, and always in demand. A popsicle machine is basically a ticket to turning a modest investment into a steady stream of income.
Yeah!
Number 5. Artisanal Ice Cream Machine. Want to level up to the premium market? Artisanal ice cream is your upgrade. This machine lets you craft rich, creamy flavors that go beyond the basics, helping you create a truly gourmet brand. Machines start at about $900, and each small tub costs roughly 0.50 cents to make while selling for $2 to $3. Those margins? Let's just say your investment pays off fast, and each batch becomes reliable income. But here's the key. This isn't just about money. Artisanal ice cream is about perception. Unique flavors, experimental ingredients, eye-catching packaging, it all adds value. Customers see it as special, and that allows you to charge more while building loyalty. Sales channels are flexible: cafes, restaurants, gourmet stores, or direct-to-customer delivery. And the visual appeal? People love snapping pics and sharing tubs on social media, giving you free marketing. Bottom line, every artisanal tub isn't just a dessert. It's a moneymaker, a brand statement, and a step into a higher value market. Sounds tasty and profitable, right?
Number 6. The 3D Food Printer. Imagine this. You're in your kitchen, but instead of using molds, you load a mix into a cartridge, hit a button, and boom! Your food takes shape like an edible sculpture. Sounds like sci-fi? Not anymore. That's the magic of the 3D Food Printer, one of the most profitable and eye-catching innovations in creative cooking. This futuristic gadget starts at about $1,000, and poof, the potential is huge. It works with soft ingredients like chocolate, mashed potatoes, cream cheese, cookie dough, even colorful pastes straight out of an artist's palette. Sleek, automated, and easy to use, it turns any kitchen into a mini food lab. Here's how it works. Load your mix, pick a design on the touchscreen, and minutes later, yeah! You've got a unique, edible creation ready to bake, decorate, or sell. Imagine offering personalized treats at birthdays, weddings, or themed events. Exactly! It's more than a gadget, it's a low-cost, high-profit business opportunity. Run the math. 20 pieces a day at $3 to $4 each equals $1,200 to $2,400 a month from home. No boss, no rigid schedule, just the freedom to turn creativity into cash. And the best part? Products this original practically sell themselves. And trust me, if this impressed you, wait until you see what's next.
Number 7. Frozen Yogurt Machine. Frozen yogurt is the modern classic. Light, creamy, and perfect for health-conscious customers. These machines serve soft-style yogurt ready to be personalized with fruits, cookies, sauces, or candy. That versatility makes it a flexible and profitable option. Machines cost $600 to $1,500, and each serving runs 50 cents to 70 cents, selling for $2 to $3. That's a solid 65% to 75% margin, with daily sales of 50 portions generating $1,500 to $2,500 per month. Frozen yogurt fits anywhere. Cafes, small franchises, food trucks, or kiosks. You can rotate seasonal flavors, launch promotions, and even market it as a healthy lifestyle choice. Strong repeat potential and steady profits make this machine ideal for entrepreneurs seeking long-term income. Profitable and versatile.
Number 8. Slushie Machine. Slushies are colorful, refreshing, and perfect for hot days. These machines turn water and syrup into icy drinks that are as fun to see as they are to drink. Their bright colors and frosty texture naturally attract attention, especially from kids and families. Investment is low, around $400 to $1,000. Each cup costs 20 cents to 50 cents to produce, selling for $1.50 to $3. If you sell 100 cups a day, you're looking at $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Whew! That's a high volume profit for a modest investment.
Slushies thrive in outdoor spaces, fairs, parks, sporting events, or kiosks. Fast to serve, low maintenance, and visually striking, they practically market themselves. For anyone wanting a simple, high-volume product, a slushie machine is a winner.